Yani today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a voice AI agent with Telegram so that you have a customer support chat within Telegram that answers actually with voice messages to client requests that they may have. So it can be that you are running a company or you're running a specific e-commerce shop and you have clients that have specific requests, questions regarding your FAQs or the orders that they have regarding invoices. And in this case, they may send the customer request into your customer support Telegram channel. And when you get this, you want to retrieve the message. And then you want to have like a rec search. So I'm having here a new AI agent. In this case, it has access to the search collection tool, which I have connected with the Needle Docs. Convert this to speech, and then finally we are sending back a voice message. So we are answering with voice message based on messages that has happened within Telegram. So the beauty here is that we are using a Telegram trigger. The other beauty here is that's always based on your internal documentation, your bot with knowledge, so that you can answer precisely customer client requests. So now as you see, I'm here within Telegram and I can send a message. Does Needle have an API? This is going to trigger the workflow in the backend. As you see, the workflow has been triggered just now. Finally, now it sends back a voice message. And if we go back to our Telegram, we see that a voice message has been sent. And I could play this voice message now, which is actually stating, yes, Needle does have an API and you can use it the following. This is it for me. This is a really powerful workflow that you can use now to do voice AI customer support within your Telegram chats based on your internal documentation. So you have RAG on top of it and answer with voice messages. I find this is a really lean and also kind of magic solution. You can use this template and get started with it. And we're excited to see what you are building with new workflows. Cheers.